Hello guys, welcome to the second video of promises series. As we saw in the previous video, that working with a callback method causes callback hell, which is it means deeply or nested calling back a method. So we will start with a practical use of promises. The promises has a special syntax, and the syntax is something like this: return new promises, and these promises have two parameters. One is resolve and the other one is reject. And this method have a callback, and this primarily done work should be copied here. We don't need callback here. We are removing this method with this also. So I am doing this for all the methods. So I did this for all these three methods. For do homework, I did the same. For post I did the same. For pre-read, I do it the same. So instead of using console.log here, I will return result. In this function also, I will return result. And in the third one also, we need the same result. So now I am calling this method with the help of promises, and this task should be done orderly. So first I'm calling do homework method, and this method should do this. So first this method should do homework. After running this homework, it should call another method with the help of done. This method will resolve a value, which is this: you did your homework, and this value should be printed with the help of done method in the next port. So I am getting this value, and the value should be getting and printed in console.log should print the value. After printing this value, this function should call the second function. The second function, which is return post read. After running this function, they should call another then method. And in this method, the second method also returning a value, and the value should be printed in a console.log. You should print me the value. After running this value, the function should return another function, pre-read. And this function would also be performed at then. So this should be printed value, and the value should be printed in the console.log. It should print me the value. After this should print me console.log. You finished all the tasks. So I'm saving the code, I'm clearing the screen, and I'm running this code again. We will see the result. First of all, the homework function is done. The second and the third, all the tasks are done. So we solve the callback hell, which will use nested callback method calling. So this is when our function is done. They have calling me a resolve method, but when a function is encountered with a problem, they should call me a reject method. For this purpose, I am using just for practical available let done homework should be true, and I am using if else condition. If done homework, then it should call me resolve, else it should call me. I am using this insert Control X, and I'm showing this, placing this here. Sorry, placing this here. Else it should reject. You did not your homework. I do the same for all these methods. So I did the same for all these methods. When a task is done, for example, I am setting this as a true, it should return me resolve method. If it is not done, it will tell me reject method. For the second and for the third, for all these three methods, I use this reject also. So after doing this, and at the end I'm just sketching the error. The error should be also in a callback method, and it should print me something like this. It should print me error, and this error should be printed in console.log, and should print me this error. Console.log or error I am using. So for example, for the testing purpose, the last one I am setting is as a false. So I am going to run and I will see it at the last. You did not prepare for tomorrow. You will see you did your homework, you studied your lesson. For the you did not prepare, it means when the action is not done, it is returning me reject. These are some benefits of using promises. It avoids callback hell. It makes code more readable and maintainable. It supports error handling with a .catch method. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel.